Welcome to another episode of Beyond the Classroom. I'm Superintendent Tim Condron, and I'm joined with some friends today to talk about STEAM.
Hi, I'm April Drake. I am the Riddle Elementary School STEAM teacher.
I am Jenna Hilligoss, and I am the Williams Elementary STEAM teacher.
Hi, my name is Rylan, and next year I'm going to be in 5th grade in Williams Elementary.
In Mattoon School District, we have a STEAM program, and STEAM stands for Science, Technology, Engineering, Art, and Math. And in our program, we have the 4 C's, which are
Critical thinking, creativity, collaboration, and communication.
We have been doing the STEAM camp for the past 4 years. We've had it every year that we've had STEAM within the elementary schools. And this year we're doing a brand new camp with sewing and learning how to hand sew and use sewing machines. This camp is possible because we have Land of Lincoln Credit Union as our sponsor. They have sponsored us every year.
So Rylan, what have you taken away from STEAM camp? What did you learn and what was the most fun part about it?
The teachers taught me how to hand sew and how to do patterns.
What do you see taken away from this?
Whenever I want to make a stuffy, I know how to do the patterns and how to use the rulers for patterns.
So STEAM is really great for preparing kids for the future in many different ways. It really dives into making a plan and sticking with the plan, lots of patience, and redoing a lot of things, right? So finding a mistake and going back and fixing it. You know, sewing is a great life lesson. Robotics and technology are on the rise. So a lot of the things we do in this class is going to help them in the future in many different ways.
So can we also talk about the opportunity where this connects to the middle school?
So our curriculum is very diverse, gives them kind of a taste of what they like so that they can make informed decisions when you're walking into middle school. It doesn't stop there though, and that's the great thing. Once they go to the middle school and they are able to enroll in classes like industrial arts, STEAM, FACS, FACS, they can then take it even further and decide, you know, I'm really talented or I have a very high interest in a certain area, and they can then move on to the high school. They have opportunities at the Mattoon High School, but not only that, we can also feed into the LIFT Center, which really narrows down what their interest is, and they can build upon that there. So our program, we like to think, is pretty important to the district because we're the starting blocks of all of that.
Thank you for watching another episode of Beyond the Classroom.